Oh, he's in his natural position now. Hanging on something. Yeah, I see you. Is that good? Yeah. Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah. A lot of activity in them bushes over there.
Yep. It's been the squirrels and the chipmunks.
See if he can don't even feel my finger. At least he's grabbing onto my shirt, so. We try this? Let me see. Come on. It's got some claws. Come on. It's a good boy. There you go.
He says, where are you going with me?
Yeah, let's take your fingers off of there.
I think he was comfortable.
Yeah, we grabbed that nice. Come on.
No, it's a
Good
little
boy.
guy.
Come on.
He's going back to tell all the other ones, hey, they caught him.
Yeah, they got Ernie. Is that it, Ernie? Yeah. How's that? Yeah. Boy. You get that tail coming in so he can balance himself.
Yep.
Yeah. You feeling better? Yeah. Let's get this finger over here. Good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. See? All those times you thought we were going to scare you and catch you, huh? Here you are. Wow.
Hello. How you doing?
Hey, good boy. Who's calling? Huh? Yeah, let's see. Whoops. It's okay. Yeah, I'll put that finger. There you go. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Hey, standing on your own feet. Yes. Very good. Yeah. It's okay. Boy, it looks like you just woke up. Good boy. Yeah. Yes. You'll be okay. Yeah. Poor baby. What happened? Yeah, I don't know. Do you? That's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. I wonder how they can hold on so good.
Yeah.
All those opposed toes. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oops. It's okay. That's good. Shook his head. Yeah. Is that good? Yeah. Good. Wow. Come on, you got to get better. What do you think? Is that a little camera there looking at you? Yeah? What's that? A little breezy here. It was nice of you to come visit, but you did it the hard way.
Yeah.
Yeah. He can turn his head all different ways. I hope he's going to be all right.
I'd say the chances are better than usual.
Yeah.
Being that he's standing on his own and
and he's grabbing with his feet.
he's not trying to flip over on his back, which is what they usually do when they're going to go.
Yep. Yeah. That's a good boy.
He
He's
looks
very
pretty alert.
Yeah. Is that good? Yeah. Oh boy.
You're not used to that, huh?
Yeah. Say, what's going on here? Huh? Yeah. I don't know if we're scaring him more than we should be, but you know, he ain't trying to get away, that's for sure.
He doesn't look scared.
Yeah. What do you say, Shorty? You gonna talk? We can't tell you what happened. We don't know what happened. You shouldn't fly into windows. You decide you want to stay, it's easier here. Yeah, what do you think? That's a good boy. Get that bug. Want me to stay, huh? Yeah.
Oh,
oh, look at that.
Can you please?
Oh. Did you try Eric for a while? Is that good? He's looking all over the place. Oh, he's talking. What a good boy.
Hello.
Yeah. Well, we hoped you were going to be all right. Yeah. of these good guys around here? Just gonna take that shit. Yeah, I'm glad you had a good visit. Can't believe he's cool. Yeah. But your whole face is in him and his whole body.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, there's the old lady calling you. Nagging you. Yeah, we don't nag around here.
What's that flicking at you?
His head is going all over the place. Looking,
Yeah.
you know, he's like those abrupt movements he makes. It looks like he's going to be all right. Who's that? Yeah.
Yeah,
He's looking, he's checking everything out.
he's probably saying, what the hell are we doing here?
You can't be too nervous because he's checking everything out all over, but he really looks good. There we go.